Take the metal bolt and magically bend it. Light it up.
Oh, that's so cool!
Where does the time go?
How did you do that? Yeah. Whoa! What?
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! Alright guys, major announcement. We are back on our world tour starting April 23rd. We'll be in Cairo, Egypt, April 25th in Beijing, China, and then April 29th, 2018 in Sydney, Australia. There's a major Australia fan meetup going on at the Sydney Opera House. I want to see all the Australian Era Squad there. We'll be doing fan pick, giving away free merch, and doing some amazing magic. So if you want to take part in the meetup, it's free for all ages. If you come to the Australia fan meetup, you will be in the Around the World video, maybe learn a few magic tricks, and get some free merch. Again, that is April 29th at 4:30 p.m. in front of the Sydney Opera House. I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 10 easy magic tricks that everyone should know.
You should know this.
So if you're ready, hit the thumbs up button and let's go! For this first trick, you're going to convince people that you have superhuman strength. Check it out. Okay, Via, I have a cool trick to show you.
Okay.
This nut and bolt here. Check it out. You can inspect it. It's normal. Everything seems on the up and up.
Yeah.
So here's what happens. Okay, watch. All I have to do is grab it like this.
Okay. Are you bending that? Are you serious? How are you doing that? Oh, wow. Can I try? Yeah. That was insane. I couldn't even try to do that.
The secret behind this trick is a lot more simple than you might think. Take a look. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. I'm Evan Era. Welcome to How to Handyman Hardware with Evan Era. I'm kidding. So here's the explanation to the magic bolt trick. So all you're going to need for this is a magic bolt. Stay tuned until the end of the video. I'm giving one of these away to one lucky comment in the comment section. So here's how this works. Not a normal bolt. Let me show you. This is a trick called Strongman, invented by Jimmy Strange. You guys should totally check it out. It's really cool. This is basically just the end of a bolt with a spring attached to it right here with a nut on the end right here. And then there's a little metal bar that will slide up through the middle of the spring just like that, and it locks into the top right here so that your spectator can try and bend it. They can handle this, they can spin the nut on the bolt, and then when you take it back from them, all you're going to do is slide the little metal bar out secretly, palm it into your hand, and slip it into your pocket. Now all you have to do is gently bend the spring and it looks like you have superhuman strength. It's so convincing because the spectator just tried to bend it themselves. They just handled it. You can then let it slowly bend back into position like this, and then reload the steel bar into the spring to make it ready to hand out for inspection again. So stay tuned until the end of the video if you want to win this so that you can convince your friends and family that you have superhuman strength. And that is the secret behind the magic bending bolt. Okay, this one is a cool toy and a magic trick combined. Take a look.
Fidget spinners are involved.
Eva, my dear, I'm gonna have you pick a card.
Yeah, pick a card.
These are all random cards through here. I'm gonna have you pick a card by selecting any number. Think of any number between 1 and 20. Name it out loud.
7.
7. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna deal 7 cards off the deck like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, just like that. So deal 7 cards off the top of the deck right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's it. Turn it over.
7.
What one is that? The 7 of hearts. Free choice, right? You could have picked any number, which would have landed you on any of these cards. But we landed on these 7. So remember that card, the 7 of hearts. That is our card. Put that back in the deck. Set this aside. This is where the fidget spinner comes into play. So you have the card locked in your mind? Watch, check this out. All I have to do is light up the spinner. You can see there's a nice little design like that. And then
Oh my god!
there's something very special. What's that say?
7 of hearts. How'd you even
It's a
know?
magic fidget spinner. It's like a magic 8-ball, but it's a magic fidget spinner. It knows the future. Here's the secret behind this amazing illusion. I'm giving this away at the end of the video to one lucky comment. So if you want to win it and perform the trick at home for your friends and family, stay tuned to the end of the video. First things first, you need to force a card on your spectator. If you're new to the channel and you're unfamiliar with how to force a card, here's an easy way to do it. Take the 7 of hearts and have it on the top of the deck. You say, what I want you to do is count down as many cards as you want. And you're gonna have them name a number. Let's say they name the number 9. They count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and boom, it's the 7 that card works because when you count it off and you demonstrate it to them, you're actually putting the 7 at whatever number card that they name off. So if they say 14, you're going to count it down 14 cards and you're going to position it the 14th card in the deck. So that whenever they deal off the cards, you know it's going to be the card that you want them to pick every single time. In this case, we're going to make them pick the 7 of hearts, as that's the one that's going to show up on our fidget spinner. This is a special fidget spinner that displays an image of the 7 of hearts when you spin it. So as the spinner spins, the LEDs create the image of the 7 of hearts. So you have them pick the card, you force the 7 on them. Just a super cool card reveal with a really popular toy.
And that is the secret of the magic fidget spinner card trick. Here's an easy card trick that's sure to light up any performance. Check it out.
Okay, watch the card.
No. Wow, it's changing. Whoa. I didn't know they did work like that. That's really cool.
Super simple secret. Here's how it's done.
Okay, here is the secret behind using fire to turn one card into another. So magical looking. The King of Hearts just turns into the 2 of Diamonds. So this is really simple. These are actually just called flash cards. They're basically flash paper that have the face of playing cards printed on them. Stay tuned until the end of the video. I'm going to be giving some of these away to lucky comments in the comment section down below. You will have to have a parent's permission if you're under 18 because these are a little bit dangerous. But stay tuned to the end if you want to have some of these so that you can do this trick at home. It's really easy to do. All you do is just set the flash paper card. It's blank on the back. It's printed with a face card because this busy design kind of hides whatever card is underneath it. This is great to do if you do a card trick where, say, you have somebody pick the 3 of hearts. You force the 3 of hearts on them, and you say, is this your card? You're talking about the king, and they say no, and then, okay, well, let's see if we can try something. And then you turn it into the card that they picked. Kind of like you make a mistake and then correct it using fire. So all you have to do then is light the card up. The flash paper will burn away the face of the card, making it look like it's magically changing into the card underneath. You could even just light it up and let it disappear.
And that is the secret of the magic flashcard trick. Our next easy magic trick is our how-to magic trick of the week. The trick of the week this week is brought to you by EvanEraTV.com. Easy magic tricks that everyone can do, available now with worldwide shipping. All you have to do is click the link in the description of this video. We have a ton of different cool magic tricks on the site and a bunch of really cool exclusive stuff that you can't find anywhere else. Again, the link for that is EvanEraTV.com. It's in the description of this video and there'll be a little mobile card right here. Today's trick of the week is a user submission by Peebles. It's an amazing coin through the bottle trick. Check out this performance.
Okay, check this out. So I have a bottle, I have a coin sitting on top of the bottle. See it?
Yeah.
Penny? Okay, watch. All I have to do is go right through.
That was crazy. Wow.
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now.
Okay, here is the explanation to the magic coin through the bottle trick. This was actually submitted by one of you guys. Someone left it in a comment on one of my community posts, asked me to check out the video. I checked it out. It was a really amazing trick. So I wanted to share it with all of you all. This comes from Peebles. He has a channel, check it out. So it's really simple. You just get one of these cheap water bottles. It has to be one of these type of water bottles with the smaller plastic cap. Kind of shallow like this, and it fits an American penny perfectly. So you want to leave a little bit of water inside the bottle like this. The reason being is you're going to let that gather in the top with the penny, and when you invert the bottle, the water is going to create some suction and it's going to hold the penny to the top of the cap. So if you look on top of the bottle right now, you can see the penny held to the top of the cap right there. It's going to hold it in place just like that. Now we can take a duplicate penny and sit that right on top of the bottle. Now Graham came up with a little bit different presentation where you hold the penny like this and just going to let the penny go behind your fingers like this as you. It's a really good presentation. I came up with something a little bit different. You're gonna load the coin in the top of the bottle, just like that. You're gonna do all this before the trick starts, before you show it to anyone, obviously. You're gonna place the other coin right there on top of that coin. That way you don't have to worry about hiding the top of the bottle. Now your next step of the trick is to get rid of this coin on top at the exact same time that the coin that's already inside the bottle deploys and falls through. You're gonna take a little bit of saliva and rub it on the pad of your palm right there. It's gonna make it a little bit sticky so that when you slam your hand down on top, the coin is actually going to stick to your palm like that. It allows you to lift it up off the top of the bottle, and it really looks like the coin just goes straight through the top of the cap. It penetrates the bottle instantly, so their focus is going to be completely on this coin inside the bottle. You can instantly pick it up, shake the coin around, get their attention on this bottle as you ditch your duplicate coin into your pocket. This is such an amazing trick and super easy to do. I suggest all of you guys try it out at home, and if anyone else has cool tricks like this that they want to share, I will definitely feature you in How To Magic, and we'll share it with everyone. everyone. You can send those to evanera.tv@gmail.com.
And that is the secret of the magic coin through the bottle trick. Here's a cool levitation trick that's been around for ages. Take a look. The secret of the magic dancing cane.
And this is a classic magic illusion. It's primarily done on stage. It is a really simple secret. So right there through the middle of the cane, there is a loop of black invisible wire. And what that actually enables me to do is make it look like the cane is floating and dancing around in the air. All that is hooking the loop of invisible wire around my thumb and moving my hand in a circular motion above the cane. Totally just makes it look like it's dancing. You can let it float from your finger like that and then just magically make it dance.
And that is the secret of the magic dancing cane. Here's a quick trick to make an object appear from your bare hands.
Watch. It's a watch. Oh, time to disappear. Where does the time go?
Want to know the secret? Here's how it's done.
Okay, the magic appearing watch works the exact same way as back palming a card. It's just a little replica plastic watch with a little metal clip that's flesh colored so you can clip it to your finger like this. Then when you hold it like this, it's hidden behind your fingers. To make it appear, all you have to do is quickly curl your fingers in like this and bring your thumb up. So to make it appear, you just act like you grab it out of thin air. To make it disappear, simply reverse that same motion. The clip holds it securely in place. All you have to do is make sure you don't spread your fingers apart.
And that is the secret of the magic appearing watch. Here's a fun one that you can do at home with a really easy setup.
So I have a cool trick to show you with these. These are called ESP cards. These are actually Zener symbols. They're used in mentalism, and they're also used in like psychology tests. There's a circle one, a square, a cross, a star, and the wavy line. Sasha, I'm going to have you just think of a number between 1 and 5. And what is the number? 4. Okay, so we'll count off 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we land on the star. Now, it's safe to say that was a free choice. You could have thought of any number. Veronica, if you would hold the cards for me. So as you can see down here on the table, we have some mysterious powder.
I see.
Check this out.
That is cool. There you go. How would you have known that? Amazing. How'd you do that?
Magic.
Look at your face.
Okay, here's what you are going to need to pull off this trick. You're going to need a little bit of lip balm, and your first step is to draw out the symbol that you want them to pick. I'm going to do a star, so what we're going to do is draw the star on the table in lip balm. Now once you have the star drawn onto the table, all you have to do is dump some powder on top, and then as you blow the excess powder away, the powder will stick to the lip balm, revealing the image that they thought of. It's super easy to do. Try it out at home.
And that is the secret behind the magic powder writing. Here's a really cool card trick to fool your friends and family. Take a look.
Okay, cool card trick time. Check this out. This is a really simple card trick. It's actually done with 4 of the same card.
Okay.
So they're all the 10 of spades.
Yeah.
I'll show you. So, give them a special move here. And you can see the front and back are all the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch. Here's the cool part about it. If I take this card and move it here, we do the same little move like this, they actually turn back. Now, here's the really cool thing about it. If I just take them and...
Whoa! Oh, no way! That is so cool! Oh, that is so cool! Wow. That's cool! That was crazy! How cool is that? Are you seeing that? How did you do that? Wow!
Spoiler alert time, the secret to that amazing trick is coming up next.
Going to need some specially gimmicked cards for this trick. These will be available in the giveaway at the end of the video. This is called the Jigsaw card trick. These are special cards that are split in half like this so that you can show them like that and like that. Show a spread of cards like that, and then when you flip them around, show a spread of cards like that. And then on the back side of each one of the cards is a quarter of a larger printed 10 of spades that you can now arrange like puzzle pieces. Really easy to do once you get the handling down. All you do is align these cards like this, put this card on top, you show the cards like this, move this card second down from the top, square them up, spin them around, And then you can show the cards like this. Same move over again. And then you're simply gonna flip the cards up and show the backs, rearrange them into a giant 10 of spades.
And that is the secret of the magic puzzle card. Everyone loves a good trick with cash. Here's a cool money trick that you can pull off at home. Take a look.
Okay, cool money trick. Check this out. My hands are empty, right?
Okay.
Verify that for everyone.
Yeah, other hand.
Nothing in the hands, yes. All right, I also have a bill here. You can see the front and the back. I'll unfold it for you.
Okay.
If you can, hold out your hands, both of them. Just like that. Watch. All I have to do is wave the bill back and forth. Watch this.
Yeah. Whoa! What? That was crazy. Did you do that with my money?
It's your money. Right there. You can have that.
No, like other dollars.
Here's the secret behind pulling off this trick for your friends and family.
Okay, here's where you're gonna need to set this up. You're gonna need 2 identical paper notes. So all you're gonna do is cut one of the bills in half horizontally like this. Now, don't worry about destroying the money. You can always tape this back together and spend it when you're done with the trick. So once you have it separated, you're gonna put one piece aside because you won't need it. So here's what you're gonna need for the trick. A single bill and half of a duplicate. You're gonna flip this over and you're going to align the cut piece of bill on the back of the full bill, just like this. And now you can already see, as it lines up, it's pretty much completely seamless. You can't really tell because the busy back design of the bill makes that cut just blend in so perfectly. So now we're gonna use some tape or some rubber cement. You could use a glue stick, and we're just gonna very lightly glue around the edges, and we're just gonna glue this in place. All right, so once you have the glue applied, you're just gonna very gently align this and press it into place. This is super easy to make at home. Highly recommend you guys try this out. And now we have this little hidden pocket in our bill, just like this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use that to hide coins inside. As you can see, the coins will tuck inside the pocket just like that, hidden inside the bill. Now all you have to do to make them appear is shake the bill back and forth. And it looks like money is just magically produced from the bill. You can do this over your spectator's hands. You could also show the bill front and back and then wave it over a table and make money appear just like that. You can just use it to make a single coin appear, and you could even use it to do a magic disappearing trick. You're just gonna let the coin slide underneath the flap and down into the secret pocket. Super easy money trick that you can do at home right now.
And that is the secret of the magic multiplying money trick. Alright guys, that is it. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it. All the likes and shares on the video really do help, so take the time to do that. I really do appreciate it. Help us spread the magic by sharing the video on your Facebook or your Twitter, telling somebody about it on Snapchat or Instagram, and just spreading the word. Spread the magic. Alright guys, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic tricks from this video. Every single magic prop from the video is up for grabs in the giveaway. I'm giving away the bending bolt, the magic fidget spinner, the magic flashcards, the dancing cane, the magic appearing watch, and the magic puzzle card. All these tricks are up for grabs in the giveaway. If you want to win one, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below. The only other thing you have to do to be eligible for the giveaway is be subscribed to the channel. Free to create an account on YouTube. You can subscribe to all your favorite channels. So create a free YouTube account, subscribe to the channel, and turn your notifications on. That will make you eligible to win some of the magic tricks. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Appreciate all the love. Alright guys, it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are these names right here. Send an email, a private email to this email address right here. It's evanera.tv.giveaways@gmail.com. Be sure to include your full mailing address in the email to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered the giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave those comments in the comment section down below. If you missed the last episode of How To Magic, it's right over there. Click subscribe right down there and tap that notification bell so you see all of our videos. The vlog channel is right down there. Subscribe to that as well. The shop is right down there if you want to grab some merch and support the channel. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.